everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jada and today I'm doing a birthday glam makeup, which is my birthday. And I just wanted to do like a cut crease with silver glitter and just like smoke out black with some wing liner and lashes and just do it with a nude lips today. And that's pretty much it. If you would like to learn how I did this makeup look on myself, please keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, I like to moisturize my skin. So I will do Versali Unicorn Essence. I just wash my face. And it smells, oh my god, freaking good. Like, I don't know, like candy. And I don't know, out of nowhere, when I decided to film, I get a breakout right here on my eye. I'm like, really? Then I'll further moisturize with the Beauty Bakery baking oil. Just to prep my skin for the foundation because I'm gonna do a full coverage today and just keep it moisturized and protected. So I'll take a few drops and I'm gonna pay extra attention to where I usually get dry, which is around my nose, around my mouth and my chin, right here on my lower chin area, and right here. And this oil recommend to wait like from 7 to 10 minutes to absorb in your skin and then put your foundation. So I'm not gonna put my foundation now. I will start with my eye makeup first and then I'll do my face. And then I will moisturize my lips with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Lip Booster. So since I'm starting with the eyes, so I will prime my eye first with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. That's so first I'm gonna take this Urban Decay 24 Hour 7 Waterline Pencil in shade Legend, which is a black, and I will trace my crease with it. So I'm gonna go above my crease line a little bit. Then I will take the Sultry palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'll be using it today for my makeup look. I'll be using shade Bursh, which is all the way... Oh. I hate when this happens. I will use shade Bursh, which is this light taupe color, in my crease with a with a Morphe M433 brush. And then I'll take more like a smaller blending brush. It's from Morphe, it's M506. And I will just dab in the Twig color, this shade. And then I'll take this Sigma Flat Definer Brush E15 and I will go over this black with a black eyeshadow just to define it and blend it much more further. And then blend it over with a fluffy brush. So I'm gonna use Noir. And then I'll just blend it outwards like this with the tip of the brush to smoke it out. And then I'll go over with the fluffy brush to blend it a little bit more. And then I'll go over again with the same flat brush and I will define the line again. And I'll go ahead and take the silver shade called Cyberg. Actually, I switched the brush. I'm doing the MAC 299, I believe. A natural hair, not a synthetic. I feel like it picks more. I feel it picks more pigment than the synthetic one, in my opinion. Yes. Okay, so I finished my half of my eye makeup now. I will do my face and then I'll go back finish the rest. Right, so for the foundation, I will be using today the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation in shade olive, because the rest of my body is darker than my face. I will be using the Clarisonic brush foundation with it today, just to blend everything quicker for me. Give it a flawless airbrush finish. I will do my contour and highlight. So I will be using the NYX Wonder Stick Contours Wonder Stick Highlight and Contour Wonder Stick. With the same Clarisonic foundation brush, I will blend my contour. Now I'll go and highlight with the Tarte Shape Tape in shade Light Medium. Holy shit! That's a lot. And then I'll color correct underneath my eyes with the Sephora Bright Future corrector in color medium. And now I will be applying Becca Concealer Aqua Luminous just to hydrate under my eye underneath the Shape Tape. Now everything is blended, so I'll go ahead and set my face with the Derma Blend translucent powder under my eye and all over the face, and then I'll do the eyebrows. And I'll just do my eyebrows off of camera and I'll come back. So my eyebrows are done. It's time for bronzing and powder contour. So I will be using the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer. I love this one because it have like a luminous finish to it. It's not too matte, so it gives this like sun-kissed glow. So I'll go ahead and bronze my face, and then I will contour with something else that's more matte. And then I'll go with the Kevin Aquan contour powder. I mean, the sculpting powder in shade medium. This one is more like a grayish undertone, a cooler undertone contour, as you can see, so it gives this illusion of the shadow. Just want to add a little bit more bronzer to warm up my face a little bit. I'll do the Bare Minerals faux tan powder. I'll take the Cover FX highlighter and I'll just dab a little bit, and then I'll top it with a powder highlighter. And then I'll take Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia and I will top the cream highlighter with it. I'll take MAC blush called Eternal Sun to warm up my cheeks. And then I'll take Morphe setting spray to set my face. And now back to my eyes. I'll just smoke a little bit on the lower lash line using the same colors that I used in my crease. And I'll just do my wing eyeliner with the NYX matte liquid eyeliner. Alright, so I'm done with my eyeliner. I added some mascara and I'm just gonna add some glitter from Stila in shade Diamond Dust, which is silver as well. And I'm just gonna put a little bit like right here. Alright, so I put my lashes on, did mascara on the lower lash and a little bit on the top. I will be doing Givenchy lip liner. I don't know, 5W01, I think so. I think that's the color name. Then I will apply Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in shade Icon. I'm gonna top it off with the Kat Von D Bow and Arrow just to make it a little bit more like a cooler tone lipstick. And now my whole face is done. I'll just go change, fix my hair, and come back. And this is a final look. I hope you all liked it, and let me know in the comments below what you think. And please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on my social media. It's all at Jada Davino, and I will see you in my next video.